Hello, I'm Ben Sturt from Chrysalis Digital, and this is just a short video which aims to give you a top-level insight into Google Analytics and the data that is available to you right now to help you understand how your members are behaving online. With this knowledge, hopefully you'll be able to communicate and support them with what they need in these uncertain times. Real-time overview will give you a view of who is immediately active on your website and how they are accessing the website, what pages they are on. I find it's quite helpful to compare recent numbers with a previous period. In this case, I've compared March stats with February. We can see the audience overview now, and here we can see there's been a significant uplift in traffic with that blue line indicated. And also there's been an increase of about 5% in new visitors, which is possible prospect new members or members that haven't been engaged before. So these are the ones that we need to be talking to. So now looking at the demographics, we can now see, for example, that in March we've got slightly more females than males accessing from the previous month. And also there are more users aged 45 and over accessing during March than there were in February. Looking at the Geo tab, this tells us where people are actually accessing our website from. In this example, we can see the regional spread is similar, but the traffic levels are much higher. This could be a good indicator, for example, to see if there's a regional difference in where your audience and your members are accessing the services. Let's move on to the mobile tab. This actually shows us how our visitors are actually accessing our websites. In this instance, we can see in the last month, our access traffic via mobile has gone up by 10% from 65 to 75. Given the fact that most people are probably working from home now, that's not unsurprising. Now let's look at acquisition. This shows how visitors are actually accessing your website. Here we can see a huge uplift in social referrals to the website. So clearly members and audiences are communicating on social and responding to campaigns that we have recently launched on social that drive traffic to the website. Now looking at site content, if we click on the All Pages tab, we can now see the pages in order of importance are getting the highest volume of traffic. Unsurprisingly, we're getting high volumes on coronavirus and advice for people with coronavirus from our site. So it's just a good place to look to see how your top pages are performing and whether they're going up or down given month on month. The Site Speed tab gives us an overview of how our site is performing against probably the increased load of traffic that we're seeing over the last few weeks. Finally, let's look at conversions. These are the acts that a visitor completes on your website. For example, a visitor may complete online registration and become a member. Here we can see the goal completions are down on the previous month, unsurprisingly, but we can see where they are the most down and take further actions. So I hope the short video has been of help. If you don't have Google Analytics installed on your website, then do speak with your website agency. It's a really quick and easy thing to get set up. But please do look at the stats regularly and act on what the data is telling you, as it's very rarely wrong, even if you don't like what you see. So good luck with your analytics and go and get stuck into that data. Cheers, bye.